Medium boiled potatoes. Mash well. One and a half cup all-purpose flour. 3 tablespoons semolina. 1.5 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds roasted and crushed. 1 teaspoon red chili flakes. A half teaspoon carom seeds. 1 tablespoon ghee. Mix well. Water as per require. Knead into a soft dough. Rest for 15 minutes. Knead again until smooth dough forms. Divide in 2 parts. Prick with fork. Cook on low to medium flame until crispy. Sprinkle chaat masala.